Hi everyone, it's Miss H. It's time to read chapter 4 of Frog and Toad Are Friends. So, you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to the table of contents. Chapter 4 is called A Swim, and it's on page 40. So I'll go to page 40. Do you think Frog and Toad like to swim? Probably, because they're a frog and a toad. But let's see. A swim. Toad and Frog went down to the river. "What a day for a swim," said Frog. "Yes," said Toad. "I will go behind these rocks and put on my bathing suit." "I don't wear a bathing suit," said Frog. "Well, I do," said Toad. "After I put on my bathing suit, you must not look at me until I get into the water." "Why not?" asked Frog. "Because I look funny in my bathing suit. That is why," said Toad. Frog closed his eyes when Toad came back out from behind the rocks. Toad was wearing his bathing suit. "Don't peek," he said, covering his eyes. Frog and Toad jumped into the water. They swam all afternoon. Frog swam fast and made big splashes. Toad swam slowly and made smaller splashes. There they are, swimming. A turtle came along the riverbank. "Frog, tell that turtle to go away," said Toad. "I do not want him to see me in my bathing suit when I come out of the river." Frog swam over to the turtle. "Turtle," said Frog, "you will have to go away." "Why should I?" asked the turtle. "Because Toad thinks that he looks funny in his bathing suit and he does not want you to see him," says Frog. Some lizards were sitting nearby. "Does Toad really look funny in his bathing suit?" they asked. A snake crawled out of the grass. "If Toad looks funny in his bathing suit," said the snake, "then I, for one, want to see him." Here's the lizards. There's the snakes. "We want to see him too," said two dragonflies. "Me too," said a field mouse. "I have not seen anything funny for a long time." Frog swam back to Toad. "I am sorry, Toad," he said. "Everyone wants to see how you will look." "Then I will stay right here until they go away," said Toad. The turtle, and the lizards, and the snake, and the dragonflies, and the field mouse all sat on the riverbank. They waited for Toad to come out of the water. "Please," cried Frog, "please go away." But no one went away. How do you think Toad is feeling right now? Upset, scared, and Frog's trying to help him. Toad was getting colder and colder. He was beginning to shiver and sneeze. "I will have to come out of the water," said Toad. "I am catching cold." Toad climbed out of the water. The water dripped out of his bathing suit and down onto his feet. The turtle laughed, the lizards laughed, the snake laughed, the field mouse laughed, and Frog laughed. "What are you laughing at, Frog?" said Toad. "I am laughing at you, Toad," said Frog, "because you do look funny in your bathing suit." "Of course I do," said Toad. Then he picked up his clothes and went home. And that's the end of the chapter. Oh, I would be pretty upset with a friend if they laughed at me after I said I was nervous. I don't think Frog did the right thing. What do you think? What should Toad say to him? What do you think will happen in the last chapter? I guess we'll find out tomorrow when I read the end of Frog and Toad Are Friends. See you next time.